Are you ready to take your IT skills to the next level? Welcome to RH342 Red Hat Enterprise Linux Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, where we empower you to excel in the rapidly evolving world of technology. By passing this test, you will learn how to diagnose problems, gather information, and fix common issues with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Let's meet our trainer, 𝗘𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗁, who are expert level and completely up to date in the subjects they teach because they continue to spend time working on real-world industry applications. 𝗘𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗁 has more than 10+ years of experience in Linux and related technologies, has experienced on multiple real-time industries-related projects. He trained more than 10,000+ students in a year. He's certified professionals with high grade having strong theoretical and practical knowledge. With this kinds of expertise which 𝗘𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗁 has, let's see what we're going to learn in this course. Join RH342 Red Hat Enterprise Linux Diagnostics and Troubleshooting.